At ako nang bahala sa cake mo, ha?
I'll be bringing your favorite.
Thank you po, Super D. Ngayon na lang po ulit ako makakablow ng candles na kompleto po tayo ni Nanay. I'm so excited and looking forward to it, Super D. Thank you, sir po You'll be there on my birthday.
Ang kulit talaga ng baby ko. Sige.
Pinky swear. Okay. I'll be there. Love you.
I'll be there too, Leah. Pero sorry mukhang yung pangako ng daddy mo sa'yo, hindi niya na matutupad. Baby.